Making $1,000 a day online sounds crazy, right? Especially if you have zero tech skills. Well, let me introduce you to Cellphone Cash. Cellphone Cash is a done-for-you income system that runs right from your smartphone. It comes with a ready-made website, built-in traffic sources, and a sales system that works 24/7. Without you needing to build code or design anything. You just activate it and let it go to work. Here's how to get started. Tap the link in the description to join the official site. Log in and activate your Done For You website. Watch the simple step-by-step videos to complete setup. Promote your link using built-in traffic tools or even just your phone. That's it. No tech skills, no crazy setup, just plug and go. Let's be real, most people won't hit $1,000 a day overnight. But this system is built to scale. Some users are earning hundreds per day after just a few weeks. And it keeps growing with consistent effort. The best part, it runs in the background while you live your life. Just a quick warning, only use the official link below. There are fakes out there. And remember, you still have to follow the steps and be consistent. No effort, no results. Ready to launch your first income generating website with no tech skills? Click the link below to access Cellphone Cash and start your journey toward real, scalable online income right from your phone.